Welcome to my Eastern Screech Owl channel. This is the first one. What you see here is the courtship of the Eastern Screech Owl. The left is a male and the right is a female. The male is preening the female, and if you look at the female, it's really enjoy it. And this happens during the mating and nesting season. They do this all the time. And the female will preen back the male as well. This video was captured under very dark setting and has been enhanced, so this is why you will see some noise in the background. They're really cute birds. This is another courtship. They are in the branches.